kaya napilitan akong sumama. Bago umalis, ihanda ko na rin ang mga kailangan kong gamitin, kabilang ang jacket, medicines, kagaya ng Bonamine at cetirizine. Mayroon pa dyan ng aking mga extra damit at higit sa lahat, water and wallet. I prepare medicine para na rin makaiwas sa mga sitwasyong gaya nito. So this is me, myself, and I, Kim. Please take a moment with me as we travel different places in Manila. Isang oras at kalahati bago umandar ang bus na sinasakyan namin. Bago umalis, pinangunahan ni Kuyang tour guide ang panalangin para sa kaligtasan ng bawat isa. And to be honest with you, bago umalis ang bus, I asked myself, kaya ko ba talaga? Kaya ko bang mag-isa sa journey na to? So guys, as you can see in the video, medyo tipon-tipon yung mga student. It is because this is the first stopover that we did during our tour. Dito kami nag-take ng aming first meal, which is the breakfast. Dito ang balak ko talaga is solo akong kakain ng breakfast ko. But then, naalala ko na meron pa kaming isang vlog sa Patpit na kailangan gawin. Kailangan namin ipakita dun yung mga nangyayari during our day and especially yung mga food na kinakain namin. Kaya sumabay muna ako sa mga katabi ko sa bus. Sa mga pagkakataong ito, nakabalik na kami sa bus para ituloy sana ang aming travel papuntang Maynila. But, isa sa aming mga kaklase ang nagpamalas ng kanyang hidden talent sa loob ng bus. So, panoorin nyo itong video. Sa ngayon, yan na siguro ang pinakamasayang moment ng educational tour na to. Kung naiinip ka na, wait lang. Dahil ang destination natin, mararating na. The Mind Museum.
Hi guys! Here in Mind Museum, we can see different aspects and science. Especially we can see different types of dinosaurs!
As I entered in Mind Museum, the first thing that comes to my mind is the butterflies and insect inside. So, naglakad-lakad lang ako at hinanap ito kung saan ba lugar naroon itong mga butterflies na aking paborito. Nyo ba guys, kung bakit favorite ko ang butterflies? Ito, trivia lang. Those butterflies always remind me what Eman Atienza said during her interview in Tony Talks. She said that those who were seen dancing thought to be insane by those who couldn't hear the music. In this part, we're going to the second floor of the Mind Museum kung saan makikita natin yung galaxies and different games to the sky. Sa part na to, masyado kaming nilula, hinilo, but at the same time, namangha. We're very amazed na makita yung ganung setup na para talaga kaming nasa sky at kalapit lang namin yung mga stars.
So, hi again guys! Nandito na po tayo sa ating panibagong area of responsibility. Panibagong area kung saan may masasaksihan tayo. It is, as you can see at my back, it is a representation of human history from Lucy to Homo sapiens. Hi! It's Kim again. So, kanina, I show you the representation of human history, but now I will show you this kind of big species that you'll find in the oceans. So, here muna naman. It's very creepy yung water. Let me show you at the back. So, yan. A big mouth. From here to there. And wala na tayong nakikita sa loob because we're not allowed to use flashlight. And then, ganun siya lang. Siguro if we will see this kind of species in personal or in real life, siguro magkakaroon tayo ng shock. Kasi sobrang laki niya, as in kaya niyang makita or makain ng mga tao kahit nasa malalim. Ano po? Okay, para siyang totoo. Meron siyang ganito. Pasok. Meron din siyang pwede.
Sa part na yan guys, kung makikita nyo, naglalaro kami ni Paul dyan ng 2-player game, which is yung race car. But then, nalungkot ako ng bahagya because nung makita niya sila EJ, he immediately go there. Pero tinuloy ko pa rin yung paglalaro kahit mag-isa ako. Most exciting part ng Vikings dahil gutom na tayo from 2 AM after 12 noon, hindi pa tayo kumakain, kaya let's go at lumukang na tayo. Guys, as you can see in my plate, meron tayong vegetable, the vegetable, it's patatas or potato, it's pasta, the vegetable, the rice, and the pork. So, kompleto siya. Later, we will get some dessert pa para naman may pang-mantra tayo. Of course, guys, before I eat, I didn't forget to thank God for all the blessing I received today, especially the food on my plate and the people around me.
So hi guys, mainit na hapon sa inyong lahat. So ngayon, nandito na tayo sa ating third destination, ang Pambansang Museo ng Bansang Pilipinas. So guys, as you can see at my back, napakaraming pagpuri ng balik na nagagamit natin. Ano po? Noong sinaunang panahon, itong mga uri ng balik na ito ay nagamit natin hindi lamang sa paghahabi, kundi pati na rin sa paglilibing ng ating mga ninuno or ng ating mga bayani.
Here guys, some clips na lang yung pinakita ko. It is because our tour guide said that medyo humahapon na and we need to go to Star City pa as soon as possible para mas marami tayong time para mas mag-enjoy daw doon. Among all the rides guys, ang pinakauna kong tinry is the Gabi ng Lagim. Hindi siya rides pero doon yung parang horror. But sadly guys, hindi kami pinayagan or hindi ako pinayagan na mag-record kahit nakiusap na ako kay kuya. So hindi ko napakita yung reaction ko during that moment. I was shocked by this girl guys because biglaan siya na nag-join doon sa aking vlog and I think she's from other major ng College of Teacher and Education.
So hi guys, pasensya na bago lang kami nakapag-update. So this is the last ride that we will ride on. Ano po? The Ferris wheel.
Nakakatakot po ba siya?
Depende sa'yo. Kasama natin ngayon si Press
Ano mo
Gallery.
sa kanila?
Hindi po.
Nakakatakot po kaya?
As of now, sinushirt namin na makakababa pa kami ng buhay. Picture. Wala!
Sige, naman ramdam pagka ano.
Oo, di ramdam.
Hi guys. Today,
Gusto ko yung butas sila.
Yes, it may not always be perfect, but these are the things we may be able to learn from this vlog. First, being alone is not something to fear, but an opportunity to get to know oneself better. When it's quiet around me, I can hear my heart's voice more clearly. Hindi ako mag-isa. May mga alaala akong kasama. Minsan, hindi pag-iisa at mga bagong pagsubok ang nakakatakot. Dahil ang pinakamalaking kalaban natin ay ang ating sariling mga takot at pagdududa. Our greatest enemy is our own fears and doubts. If we overcome this, nothing can stop us. Always think that good, better, best. Never let it rest until good is better and your better is best.